In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Brevo to send SMS. First, sign into your Brevo account. On the login page, choose Sign In with Google, then pick the Google account you use for Brevo. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From there, open the Marketing section, then go to Campaigns. This is where Brevo organizes email and SMS, so everything you need for sending texts will be right here. Next, create a new campaign. Click Create Campaign. In the modal, look for the SMS option. If you see an Activate button beside SMS, click it to enable SMS in your account. Activation confirms you're allowed to send texts from Brevo in your region. If the platform asks for any verification or compliance details, complete those prompts, then continue. After activation, click SMS to start your SMS campaign. Give your campaign a clear name so you can find it later, then click Create Campaign to open the setup. Now configure your sender. Click the sender field to edit the sender details, and type the sender name you want your contacts to see. Keep it short, recognizable, and compliant with your local rules. Many regions allow a name up to a limited number of characters, and some require a numeric sender. When you're done, click Save. Now choose who will receive your message. Click Recipients, then select the list or segment you want to target. Segments are great for narrowing your audience to the most relevant contacts. Make sure your recipients have valid mobile numbers and proper consent to receive SMS. When your selection looks good, click Save. It's time to create the text. Click Create to open the SMS editor and type your message. Keep it concise and clear. If you plan to use special characters or emojis, remember they can switch your message to Unicode, which lowers the character limit per message part. You can also add images if your region and plan support MMS. Just note that images can increase cost and may not be supported everywhere. For compliance, open the Manage US Compliance options to include required disclosures or opt-out instructions, such as clear guidance for unsubscribing where applicable. When you're happy with the content, click Save. From here, you can send a test to yourself to check formatting and links, and then proceed to send your SMS to the selected audience. That's it. Your Brevo SMS campaign is set up and ready to go.